Hello and welcome to another update video about the SUI chart. Yeah, SUI continues to move sideways. It's caught in this local range that started on the 3rd of February. We had a rally and now this is just sort of sideways consolidation, as you can clearly see. The market has not formed the lower low yet. So what we normally see when we're dealing with a structure like that, so potential wave 1 to the upside and A wave down, B wave up, normally the C wave would then end below the low of the A wave. So that hasn't happened yet. We can't see that at this stage. At the moment, the market seems to be in this sideways consolidation actually. As I said, in a potential wave 2, it might form another low, because the price normally, as I said, when the B wave doesn't overshoot, the C wave would normally go below the low of the A wave. We can also, in addition to that, measure the distance of wave A with our Fibonacci extension tool. And then we compare that with the length of the possible C wave. And I mean, we're nearly there. 275 would be just an ideal level to watch, an ideal target. I'm not saying it will get there for sure, but this is an ideal level to watch. It is a level where there is, which could act a bit like a magnet. And most importantly, it is located within the orange support area anyway. So there is a chance that indeed the price gets there and reacts to it and then reverses to the upside. But we need that signal. That has not happened yet at this stage. So I'm watching for potential reversal signals. What would that be? What would be a reversal signal? If this is indeed a 1-2 setup, then first of all, I would feel better about it if there was another low, because it could really complete this structure with a clean low and then react to the upside, break above the B wave, and that takes us to the first signal. A break above this internal B wave high at $3.75 would be the earliest indication that a low has formed. Better would be a break above the wave 1 high, which formed on the 4th of February, ideally with volume. So such a reversal needs to be confirmed through structure and volume. We don't have any of that. I mean, okay, it's holding support, but we haven't got that. What we normally need is a 5-wave move up. So I want to see a 5-wave move up that breaks above the first key level here. I mean, 375 is the first one, but better is 390, the wave 1 high. And then overall, the one where the, the swing high where the high volume sell-off started, here at around $4.25. I mean, that is even more important. So there are 3 confirmation levels, essentially, with the first one not being so meaningful, but the higher we go, the more meaningful it is. But just a break isn't so important. If it's a break and, again, falling back into the range directly afterwards, that would not be very desirable. So that is what I'm watching for at the moment. As you can see here, it's still printing lower lows and lower highs. It is, I don't think, possible really to assign a micro count here. I mean, we can try it, but please note that this is really, it doesn't necessarily give us here the cleanest Elliott wave structure. Important is to understand the C wave. Educational moment here is always a 5-wave move. We can make it a little bit larger. Should be a 5-wave move, and I can identify from up here potentially a 1-2 setup, and then maybe 1-2, and then it may be here form the 3, 4, 5. So it could have been a 3 and 4, and I mean maybe it's getting another low. 1, 2, no, maybe this is 1, 2, 3, long 3, 4 and a diagonal 5. I mean maybe this looks even like a 5 up maybe, but not convinced yet. Again, not convinced. This micro counting isn't so helpful. You have here also 2 to 3 scenarios. It just doesn't make any sense to dive too much into that. But please note that any break, I would say, above this wave 4 high at 328, I mean, treat it as a very, very early confirmation signal. That's how I see SUI at the moment. Not much more to say. It's a waiting game for now. It's a waiting game. Today was also a quiet day, so I hope you liked the update. Nevertheless, if you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested, check out our main channel, MCO Global. Today I uploaded a video about Bitcoin. I cover not only bull market targets, which you might know already, but also some indicators we haven't looked at either for a while or actually never, some of them at least. So yeah, it's more of an in-depth analysis. Check it out for the latest Bitcoin analysis. The link to the channel is in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.